Looking to create a custom cozy hat for the holidays? Today I'm going to show you how to make a snug double layered hat. I'll be using my SENTRO knitting machine and also showing you how to make a cute pom-pom. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is day 10 out of my 12 Days of Craftmas series. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute double layered hat using my SENTRO knitting machine. I'm also going to show you how I made the pom-pom for the top of it. As always, I've linked all the supplies in the description down below. So grab what you need and let's get crafting. Here's what you're gonna need. A SENTRO circular knitting machine, yarn. I'm going to be using a medium weight yarn. I'm going to be using this for both the hat and the pom-pom. A yarn needle and a pom-pom maker. Again, all the stuff is linked down below. To cast on, set your knitting machine to circular knitting mode. Start by placing the yarn between the first and last needle, leaving a tail. Slowly turn the handle, alternating the yarn in front and behind of each needle. Once you completed one round, place the yarn into the tension guide to keep the stitches even. For a snug hat without the brim, I'm doing 105 stitches. If you want to add a folded brim, increase the rows to 120 to 140 stitches. For a kid's hat, knit around 100 rows for a snug fit. Once you finish your rows, cut the working yarn, leaving a long tail. Use a yarn needle to thread the tail yarn through each loop on the needle as you crank the machine to release the stitches. Pull the yarn tight to close the top of the hat. Fold it inside itself to create a double layered design. Align the top and bottom edges and use your yarn needle to secure them with a few stitches. To add a festive touch, let's make a pom-pom. Grab your pom-pom maker and wrap the yarn tightly around both arms of the tool. The more yarn you use, the fluffier your pom-pom will be. Once wrapped, close the tool, tie a tight knot around the center, and cut the loops on both sides. Fluff it up and trim it to shape. To attach the pom-pom, thread the yarn tails through the top of the hat and tie them securely on the inside, ensuring the pom-pom is tightly secured. If you'd like to customize your hat further, you can add tags, ribbons, or other embellishments. These small details make your hat extra special and perfect for gifting. And here's the completed double layered hat. It's so warm and cozy, and the pom-pom adds a playful festive touch. This is the perfect winter accessory for yourself or as a handmade gift for somebody you love. And that's a wrap for day 10 out of my 12 Days of Craftmas series. I hope you enjoyed making this hat with me. It's such a fun and easy project, and the pom-pom adds that extra charm. If you give this hat a try, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know how this turned out for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the rest of the series. I will see you guys here for day 11, and as always, adios!